RTX Voice is a software developed by nvidia that uses AI to remove background noise from your audio input and output. It is designed to improve the quality of audio during voice and video calls by eliminating unwanted sounds like keyboard typing, mouse clicks, and background noise. RTX Voice requires minimum GeForce driver 410.18 and higher to work with GTX and RTX series. For RTX 2060 and later, you must NVIDIA Broadcast, which remove background noises, virtual background, video noise removal, auto framing and eye contact correction requiring GeForce driver 456.38 or higher. RTX Voice works with OBS, Google Chrome, Teams, Zoom, Steam Chat, etc. I'll add the links in the description. Let's start the walkthrough on how to install RTX Voice and set it up on OBS. Installing it is very straightforward. Takes under 30 seconds to install. Once it's installed, you will see a tray icon RTX Voice. Once you open the application, you will notice options to select input and output devices. By default, both are set to default mic and speakers. Let's check out NVIDIA RTX Voice test page with links to the YouTube video. First, make sure both input and output devices are set to RTX Voice under sound settings as shown, otherwise AI background noise removal effects are not applied. Let's test the YouTube video provided by NVIDIA. For AI effects to work, make sure desktop audio in OBS is set to RTX Voice, otherwise you will not see any changes. I will set both input and output to Xbox wireless headset. You will see that I'm reducing and increasing the effect of noise suppression in both input and output device in the RTX Voice application.
Our models without the processing power that GPUs provide. Training one of our models is really computationally intensive. It takes about 20 exaflops worth of work to train one model. And so if you think about it, it's just a staggering amount of computation. So we rely on the density of GPUs in order to train our models rapidly, which helps us figure out what's wrong with them and sort of iterate so that we can make the models better and better. So that's one aspect where we use GPUs. We also use GPUs for serving our models to users at scale. So if you think about it, once you've built a big deep neural network, that's the first step. You've made some research progress, but then actually transforming that into a product that somebody can use requires deploying it. And that's very computationally intensive as well. So we use GPUs for that also. So artificial intelligence is a technology that can be applied in many, many different ways. And so we're really excited about the impact that progress in artificial intelligence is having on a large number of different fields, both in terms of like products that consumers would use, as well as in terms of the scientific part of making artificial intelligence better. I'm grateful for this.
I hope this helped everyone in setting up RTX Voice or NVIDIA Broadcast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can support me via Patreon and Topmate. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.